Huwag kang maniwala sa mga flex ng big gains sa Instagram or sa YouTube or sa Facebook or sa TikTok. Kita mo na naman si ganito. Nag-flex na naman siya. Rolex, thousands of dollars, magandang sasakyan, na profit lang daw sa trade. Sana all, di ba? The hard truth. What you see on social media is usually a highlight reel. You don't see the losses. You don't see the years of frustration. More importantly, hindi mo alam kung demo account or real account nga yung piniplex nila, di ba? Focus on your own process, not the results, hindi yung sa kaibigan mo, sa favorite mo. Focus on your own process, not on their results. Competition is only against yourself. Yesterday, few weeks ago, focus on the journey, not the vanity flexes. So, i-follow nyo na ang Pinoy's in Profit for realistic trading psychology. So, kung gusto mo matuto ng Forex, join Pinoy's in Profit kasi good news, pre-community na kami with complete lessons pa from basic to advanced.